Shinobi's latest news and developments. Today we'll talk about the Shinobi Bridge update that's going to be happening, Shinobi KYC process for potential projects that want to list on Shibnobi Swap and the Shinobi verse, and so much more. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, not the way, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, make sure that bell notification is lit, and if you want to push this video out, make sure you guys leave some bullish comments down below and make the YouTube algorithm get these videos out to new potential investors. We got Shinobi Bridge. Shinobi Bridge will be receiving a UI update tomorrow. That's today. I've already checked. It hasn't happened yet. So when it does happen, I will let everybody know. So make sure that bell notification is lit and you got it set to get all notifications, okay? This will bring a new skin to the platform and introduce ad space, which will be added to more of our products in the future. There's also a good chance that support for other coins will be added very soon. I think this is a very good idea. Leave some comments down below. I think we should have ad campaigns kind of like how PooCoin does or Dextool has, basically on all our products, and really get the ball going on bringing some revenue in, because, you know, now that this coincides, we can have projects that just want to use that ad space to let people know that, you know, they're on the Shinobi Swap, and either they passed or didn't pass, and we're going to get into that right now. Shinobi KYC, as touched on previously, we will begin accepting listing applications from non-KYC projects. However, projects that decide to undergo and pass Cerdic's KYC process will be annotated with the Shinobi green checkmark on our platform. Maybe even a Shinobi green star will be cool, so like that it matched, but obviously we'll get the idea if there was a green checkmark saying that, hey, it passed the KYC through Cerdic, this is a safe token. But I think that these two things together right here, putting that ad space on all our products and giving other tokens obviously the opportunity to also advertise on there, that's going to start a revenue machine really easy right there. We have Shinobi Verse. Cliff announced that those who are holding 50 or more Shinobi NFTs will have an exclusive priority during phase 1 of Shinobi Verse. More details on what this special access entails will be passed in the next week or two. So something to keep the ear to the ground. We got to correlate with this news. The maximum mint per wallet on NFT mint.shinobi.com has been increased to 50. Okay, so now if you wanted to get that all in one wallet, and we'll talk about if you got it in separate wallets, don't worry about that, but now the mint has been raised to 50 mints at once. Okay, how is the value of land in Shinobi Verse going to be determined? This information will be released in the near future. And let's remember, I remember one of the AMAs, you know, they were talking about Shinobi credits. You know, I don't know much. I only know as much as you guys know, but it's something to keep in mind when we're reading between the lines, when the team is somewhat spilling beans sometimes, okay? So we got, why is the migration to V2 done with dollar value in mind instead of supply ratio? The dollar value each holder has at the time of trading of V1 is disabled is what matters most, and I agree with that. This will allow everyone to claim V2 tokens equal to the same dollar value that they held in V1 before trading goes live on V2. Something to keep in mind. This is very important right here. If I don't claim my V2 token before the relaunch November 15, will I still retain the same value held on V1? Once the V2 contract goes live for trading on November 15, buys and sells will cause the price to increase and decrease. This will affect the dollar value of your V2 tokens that are allocated to you, meaning that before it goes live, everybody's going to have the same dollar value from V1 going to V2. Meaning that if you do not claim on the day of November 15, this could go one or two ways. It can go positive too, it can go negative. And once it goes live, those tokens are associated with that contract and that trading is now live. You know, you might wake up and you didn't claim them, and the next day, you know, the price could have shot up. You know, that could be the positive side, because there's always two sides to a coin where now they're worth a lot more, or it could go the opposite way. What if, you know, some people sold? So that is a big responsibility that you guys want to pay attention to right there. Okay. Of course, not financial advice. If you guys want to leave them sit there and wait till whenever you claim them, that's up to you. But I suggest that you guys get your tokens right away and watch what's going on November 15th. I'm going to be on the edge of the seat. I'm sure a lot of you guys are as well. What will happen to V1 tokens held in centralized exchanges? We went over this before. The team will be talking to exchanges and basically seeing if we can swap those tokens. Something we'll keep, like I said, our ear to the ground on. And am I able to consolidate NFTs purchase in different wallets. Yes, you can combine all these NFTs. Let's say you got different wallets, and if it's a total amount of 50, you will be able to participate in the 50 NFT promo. Something that I think is pretty cool that the team is allowing that to happen. Do we plan to have lower buy tax on B2? When we announce the total supply, we will also announce the tokenomics on launch. This information might be passed sometime this week. So pretty early, we're going to be getting some information on what's going on. I know we're waiting for November 15th. If we go to the website, when you first go to the website, you're prompted to, the timer that's going on right now. You know, we got, I think 68 days left till it happens. And also, going over to Shinobi Bridge really quick and Shinobi. Okay, so 68 days and 11 hours. I want to let everybody know, if you know about projects that want to list on Shinobi Swap, this is where you guys are going to have to come. Come to Shinobi, right? And then apply on Shinobi Swap. This is where you guys are going to start that process. Also, taking a look at the bridge really quick, we can see that update has not happened. So make sure that bell notification is lit up. I'm going to make sure when that bridge gets updated, I'll probably do another how-to video just to, see how the process is, if it's the same, or, what's going on with it. And of course, going over to, the main page, if you guys can come over here, like and retweet everything that's going on and help spread the awareness of what's going on with our bags in Shinobi. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.